In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Shopify in 2025. If you're new to Shopify or just need a quick refresher, don't worry, we've got you covered. First, we'll want to make sure we start by navigating to the official Shopify website. Open your preferred web browser. This could be Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser you regularly use. In the address bar at the top of the browser window, simply type in shopify.com. Press enter, and this will take you directly to Shopify's homepage. The homepage usually offers a clean and straightforward design, showcasing various features or announcements. But what we're interested in today is logging into your account. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see several options here, and among them will be the Login option. This is what you'll want to click on. Spending a moment here is essential because it ensures that you are securely logged into your existing account, ready to manage your store or explore new possibilities. Clicking Login takes you to a new page where you might be prompted to enter your credentials. Typically, this includes your email address and the password associated with your account. It's important to ensure that you're entering the correct information. Especially pay attention to any typos, as this can be a common hiccup. If your password is saved in your browser, it might autofill for you, offering a swift login process. In any case, once you've entered your details, click the Login button on that page. And there you go. You should now be successfully logged into your Shopify account. You'll have access to your dashboard, where you can manage your existing stores, explore products, view sales data, and much more. Remember, logging in securely ensures that all your data is protected, so never share your login details with anyone you don't trust. While the process might seem incredibly straightforward, and it truly is, it's always useful to go through these steps carefully, especially if there have been updates or changes to the site interface over time. Being methodical also helps in instilling a habit of secure browsing practices, and that's all there is to it. Logging into Shopify is designed to be a quick and user-friendly task, allowing you to dive straight into managing your e-commerce business. Whether you're just visiting to check your latest sales or exploring new Shopify features, starting with a secure login ensures you are on the right track from the get-go. Happy selling, and I hope this guide helped you feel more comfortable with logging into Shopify today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other tutorials for further enhancements to your online business journey.